Have you ever wondered how to turn flat blueprints into stunning 3D visuals? Today, I will use Nano Banana to bring your designs to life in seconds. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. To start, we're going to go to Google and type floor plan. And once you're there, scroll down and select the one that suits your project. Here's a 3D model of the floor plan. With the method I'm about to show you, you can turn any of those simple ones to this 3D floor plan. And there are so many floor plans on the internet and so many ideas, and you can also modify every one of these floor plans to a different version of the floor plan. For example, if you see a 4-bedroom, you can ask Nano Banana to change that to a 3-bedroom. Or if you see 2-bathroom, you can tell Nano Banana to add 2 more bathrooms to the floor plan and end up with something like this. The possibilities are endless, and you can become an architect and design your own floor plan. Let's go to Google AI Studio and access Nano Banana. Scroll down the page and click on sign up and get started. And if you look to your right, you can see we are using Nano Banana and other options and versions given to you on this screen. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be using Nano Banana. Click on Nano Banana and go to the prompt section. This is where you type your request for Nano Banana to design something for you. And if you have any pictures, this is where you click to upload any images. I'm going to select one of the floor plans and open it in Nano Banana. Now I'm going to type, create a visual 3D model of this floor plan. Click run or control enter. Within seconds, Nano Banana comes back with this 3D floor plan, and it looks amazing. Just imagine you just rendered your 3D floor plan just by one click. And that's the power of AI. Now let's close the window and ask Nano Banana to do something else for us. Now I'm going to type show me in different angle. Then I'm going to click on run. Now we have a different perspective of this 3D floor plan. Let me zoom it for you and see how it looks. Absolutely stunning. This is what architects do, and it takes some hours to do it. And it only took us a few seconds. Then I'm going to type change furniture to more modern style. And voila, furniture is changed. It can also be more specific to what furniture to change. Maybe you want to change the bedroom furniture or the living room furniture. You can customize your prompt in any way you want. Let's try something else. Now I'm going to ask to place this floor plan into a backyard with lawn. And here we have it. Nicely done. And this would have cost you thousands of dollars and hours of work for an architect to come up with something like this. And you're doing it for free. And this is where we headed with this AI technology. Now here I have uploaded an image to reference the image to design our home just like it. And Nano Banana partially created some of those changes. As you can see, it created this back and front design, but not completed. This is very typical of Nano Banana to do that. Now, I'm going to ask Nano Banana to complete the design. Simply type, please complete the entire house using the same image to style. And then click run. And here Nano Banana created one extra section there. Let me show you right here. It created the entrance. And we still have more areas to cover, such as living room and bedrooms. Now, to have a better understanding, I'm going to ask Gemini Flash to describe the house and give me a better prompt. Now it's returning the complete description of the picture we uploaded, and is telling us exactly what it has, and also provided us with a prompt so we can use it in Nano Banana. Let's copy the prompt so we can paste it in Nano Banana. Click on Nano Banana. Now go to upload and select the first version of the floor plan that we placed in the backyard. This is before making any extra changes. Just the floor plan in the backyard. We're using this as a reference image. Then we're going to tell Nano Banana to use the prompt we're about to paste and apply it to this reference image. We want to see if the prompt can actually complete the house for us. Later on, I'm going to show you how to use a markup trick. Now I'm pasting the prompt I got from Gemini Flash. This is what it came up with. The house, basically what was described in the prompt. And it added a nice frame with the lighting in the front yard. Now let's close this window and do something else. Now let's change it to the daylight mode. Now this is much better. Now let's type "show me the above drone shot" and click run. Here's our drone shot. Beautiful. At least we have an idea how the house is going to look like from the above. Once everything looks okay, let's close the window. And now we're going to ask to show us the house from the side. Now I just want to show you, it depends on how you describe the prompt. If you say backside, it could be any backside. We didn't exactly ask right side or left side. We just asked for backside and AI just picked a side for us. Now here I asked for backside and it gave me this picture. Now I'm going to ask for the backyard. Show me the backyard. Now click on run. And here's the backyard. We have the furniture and everything for the backyard exactly as we asked for. Now I'm going to use a different variation. Show me the rear of the house. I want to know what kind of design it's going to come up with. Now it basically came back with the same design, which is okay because they both have the same meaning after all. Now I'm going to use the prompt, show me from the side. Let me see what kind of side it's going to show. It just picked a side. This looks more closer. Now I'm going to ask, can you add a pool? Now while Nano Banana is creating the image, I'm going to show you what the image looks like without the pool. This is the image without a pool, and we want to know what kind of idea is going to give us about the pool. Perfect. It found the best location to place the pool. You have no idea how much designers and architects charge you just to give you an idea what a pool looks like in the backyard. I call this fantastic 3D rendering. Now here's a markup trick. I outline in red in Photoshop or any paint program to do this. Please complete the red mark area with proper exterior. And this is what it came up with. It came up with few angles, but I still have this area that is not completed. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and outline this in Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer is for free in any Windows 11 operating system. Now I'm going to outline it with the blue marker and do the same thing. I'm going to go back to Nano Banana prompt box and type add walls to the blue outline area to match the house exterior. And voila, we got it. We got the entire house walled up. Now the next step is to put a roof on this house. Now we're going to do the same blue markup outline trick. We're going to go back to Microsoft Designer and outline in blue the area that we want to put the roof on. Isn't that a cool trick? Please hit that like button if you agree with me. Now that's a beautiful modern flat roof for this house. And this is exactly what we wanted. And it matches the back roof, the second roof in the back. They both have the same design. Now let's add a pool. Type add pool to the back of the house. Now Nano Banana is going to find a back. Which back? Because any side could be the back. So because we didn't say backyard, we say back of the house. Now when I ask in the second prompt, add pool to the backyard, this is what you're going to get. We're going to get another pool in the backyard. Since I like them both, I'm going to keep it the way it is. Now let's have Nano Banana to create a floor plan for us so we can give it to a developer. Type convert this to a developer floor plan. And here we have it. This is a beautiful floor plan that tells the developer what kind of idea you have for your house. And it labeled each room: bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom 1, bathroom 2, living room, and dining room. Now we need to convert this to a black and white floor plan. So all we have to do is Type now converted to a black and white print floor plan. And here we have it, a complete floor plan showing exactly how the door is going to open up in each room. This is amazing, really amazing that you can do all that with just few clicks. As an added bonus, I want to show you a website that you could do 3D modeling. It's called Meshy AI, and you can sign up for free. They're not sponsoring this video tutorial. I just came across this website just to show you how you can turn anything to a 3D model. The higher image quality, the better results you get. Let's click on image to 3D, and here I'm going to upload my 3D floor plan. Now the image uploaded, we're going to leave everything as is, and we're going to click on generate. Now it's rendering our project. And it came up with the 3D model of the image we uploaded. I'm going to generate a second batch just to compare. There are so many other options that this website offers in regards to 3D modeling. Try it for yourself and let me know what you think. Here's the second batch I created. You can also click on texture to apply texture to your model. Feel free to try any of the options in the tool area above. Now, if you want to avoid having like the greens in the bedroom or weird colors in different areas, try to upload an image without a background. Having no background will give you a better result. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to upload an image, this time without a background. It has some background in it, but this time it has no lawn or any backyard objects. As you can see, the 3D model is much cleaner, and unlike last time when we applied texture, this time when we apply texture, it gives you a clean color. No green color, no weird colors, beautiful 3D model of our floor plan. That's what I wanted you to see. Let me show you what else this website can do for you. Click on any of those samples. Click on any of them and try to turn them around and see how it looks. It looks amazing. Look at this house here. Select this model, click on animation, and it gives you pre-made animations here that you can apply to each character. I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. You can also buy me a coffee. Link is in the description. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.